గణేష్జీ టీం రాజు అండ్ వాళ్ళ కెమెరామ్యాన్ యువరాజు వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఈ కైలాస యాత్రలో కంటి మీద రెప్పకి ఎప్పుడైనా దూరం అవుతుందేమో కానీ కైలాస యాత్రలో వీళ్ళతో పాటు వెళ్ళిన వాళ్ళకి ఏ రకమైన అసౌకర్యం జరగదు. అత్యద్భుతంగా చూస్తారు. చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా చేశారు. మా ట్రిప్ మొత్తం వాళ్ళ చేతిలో అత్యద్భుతంగా మింగ్మా వాళ్ళని పెట్టుకుని చాలా బాగా చేశారు. వీళ్ళు ఈ టీంతో కలిసి మనం పనిచేయడం, ఈ టీంతో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనం కైలాస యాత్రకి వెళ్ళటం వలన అన్ని రకాలైనటువంటి సౌకర్యాలు పొందుతాం. మిగతా ఏ టీముల కంటే కూడా ఈ టీం చాలా అద్భుతంగా పనిచేస్తుంది.
గణేష్ జీ, రాజు జీ, మింగ్మా and all his team has done excellent and beyond anyone's expectations.
Yeah, I feel very good. Ganesh ji, no more suggestions.
Hi, this is Sudhakar Kuchi Bhotla. I'm from California, USA, and we are a satsang of 25 people, and that includes 2 priests from India. And when we started this idea last October, Ganesh ji is the one who really became a part of this family rather than as a tour operator. This team is awesome. They are fantastic. Once in a lifetime yatra, a memorable one for all of us. I mean, it's just unbelievable, unforgettable experience. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Venkata Bhattaram. I live in California. I led this team of 25 people, and we are all mostly from California, and a couple of people come from India, and we all worked with Ganesh ji for last 6 months in preparation, and I am really thankful to Google for showing me Ganesh ji in one of the top clicks. So that made me to bring to Monte Rosa, and not a single day I felt that I missed anything or anything. He was always available on the Skype as well as an email, and I used to get a quick turnaround.
My name is Bharat B. Patel. I'm from Mississippi. I went to Kailas with my wife and my son all together, and we really enjoyed this trip. It was beyond line service. The staff, Mr. Ganesh Bhai himself came to receive us, and same token Raj, his assistant also went beyond line for food, hot water, everything what we require or what is our expectation beyond line. He gave us excellent service. Yeah, we saw some more travelers from India and NRI from other countries, and they all were crying for water, not even given them hot water and not given them water to drink. So they were crying. They had no facility even to go bathroom. There were no services. Actually, Raj himself put a tent for us whenever there is no service available. He went beyond line and he took care of those. Probably next year my other family member who had not went to Kailash may come and joined with them.
My name is Anuj Patel. I am a college student in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. And I came to Kailash Mansarovar with Ganesh Bhai's company, and it was very exceptional service compared to other company groups that were there. It was more hands-on, small group, focused and personalized, and they provided full amenities for every option there was, and the best guest houses that was available at every location we stayed at.
My name is Kusum Patel. I'm from Mississippi, USA, and I came with my husband and my son, and we really enjoyed this service, and Raj was excellent. We had other groups staying with us. They had 150 people in their group. They did not have not even hot water. I'm talking about drinking water or water to brush. They had to pay extra for the water to brush, and it was a cold water I'm talking about. And they were crying. They did not have a decent food. So Raj even provided them a food to eat, and they were very happy. So, I mean, our service was excellent. We really enjoyed Monte Rosa.
और कैलाश यात्रा तो एकदम अच्छा रहा, और इधर से निकला रेडिसन से बहुत बढ़िया रहा। तब तक कैलाश यात्रा का तो पूरा एक दिन का तो एक दिन और आनंद मिलता गया। और जब मानसरोवर गया तो कभी नहीं देखा ऐसा नज़ारा था।
और मोन्टेरोसा के स्टाफ का सर्विस कैसा रहा?
मोन्टेरोसा का गणेश भाई का सर्विस तो
बहुत अच्छा।
सही में दूसरा टूर के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है, एकदम पर।
आपका आप
बहुत
बोलिए।
अच्छा है, बहुत मज़ा आया सबके साथ।
कैसा रहा?
बहुत मज़ा आया।
और सर्विस में कोई कंप्लेन सजेशन
नहीं,
क्या
कोई
है?
कंप्लेन नहीं है, बहुत मज़ा, खाना पीना सब अच्छा लगा सबको।
सर्विस भी अच्छी थी, सब राज भैया भी अच्छा था, सब अच्छा था।
मेरा नाम दिनेश पटेल है, मैं बम्बई से हूँ, मुलुंड में रहता हूँ। मैं यहाँ कैलाश यात्रा के लिए आया था और मैं मोन्टेरोसा टूर्स एंड ट्रैवलर्स के थ्रू कैलाश की यात्रा की, जो कि मैं जिस दिन से मैं काठमांडू में उतरा हूँ वहाँ से लेके आज तक मैं उनके साथ में था। और उनकी सर्विस के बारे में तो हम जितना भी बोले उतना कम है। उनकी वजह से ही हमको अच्छी यात्रा का फल मिला है, वरना हम यहाँ से आगे नहीं जा पा सकते थे। और उनके साथ मिस्टर राज जो हमारे लीडर थे, उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी सर्विस दी है हमको कि आज के बाद में अगर हम किसी को भी कैलाश यात्रा के लिए बारे में पूछेंगे तो हमको मोन्टेरोसा के सिवा किसी और का नाम नहीं सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद।
Girish Patel. I'm from Chicago and I came from Gujarat, from Chicago. So I did everything good. Raju Bhai did it good, everything perfect, expressional and about the point he did it and he satisfied everybody. Everything perfect. I'm gonna get more business from Chicago side to Montreal.
I came here to join the team for June 2013, the Mount Kailash team. And Mr. Ganeshi is a great, and his team is, I can't tell you, I can't express you in words how great they are. I thank you, Mr. Ganesh and his team. It's a great trip, and all our teammates are great, and especially Jay and his team, Raghu, Ram, and rest of the team are wonderful. And I like to join again coming year 2014 in August again. If I get a chance, I'm going to join again with the Mr. Ganesh team. Thank you.
My name is Lalit Daita. I'm from California, San Jose. Excellent service from the team, Ganesh and his team.
Ganesh Bhai's service and Raju Bhai's service are impeccable. They are really good, and then whatever we needed, they were able to provide to us. Whatever medicines we lacked, whatever food we lacked, they were able to provide that, and the service was A class.
My name is Subbalakshmi Dhulipala and I'm from California, Cupertino. I really like the service and the little details that Raj Bhaiya and Ganesh Bhaiya were attending to, and I really liked it, I really enjoyed it. Proper care and attention for all our needs, and it was a successful trip and I really enjoyed it. I wish I could come one more time. There are no suggestions, it's perfect as it is. I really enjoyed it.
Glad that I got in touch with Montrerosa. They had excellent service and all their staff were really helpful, and I definitely recommend Montrerosa.
Hi, my name's Meghana.
And I'm Yashu.
And we came to the Mount Kailash Yatra on June 2013, and we came through Montrerosa, the group, and we really found that their service and just this entire trip as a whole was so incredible and life-changing, and we genuinely enjoyed it.
Just throughout this entire trip, we had great accommodations and amazing food, especially the cooks made really good food.
Yeah, and our team itself, we were a bit worried at first because at that altitude no one knows how they'll act, but our team was just so spectacular and we became more like a family and we really enjoyed it. We loved Raj and his entire team. They're awesome. And
Amazing.
We will never forget them.
Hi, my name is Padmanabh Pisupati. I came in for this Mount Kailash trip with Montrerosa Travels, run by Mr. Ganesh Ji and his group. It has been a wonderful experience for us to go around this trip. The team is awesome.
मेरा नाम आनंद रमेश चंद्र जैन है, मैं बॉम्बे से आ रहा हूँ और व्यवसायी से मैं ज्वेलर्स हूँ ज़िंदगी में बहुत इच्छा थी कि कभी कैलाश मानसरोवर करूँगा, लेकिन ऐसा कोई मुझे अच्छा ग्रुप कहीं मिला नहीं। लेकिन जब मैंने मोंटेरोसा का नाम सुना और हमने इनके साथ ज्वाइंट हुए, इतनी अच्छी हमारी यात्रा हुई और किसी तरह की हमको कोई तकलीफ़ पड़ी नहीं। मैं तो इनकी टीम बहुत अच्छी थी, वो टीम की वजह से हर वक्त जब जो चीज़ चाहिए हमको मिली। इतने हाई एटीट्यूड में इतनी सर्विस मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, और अदर कंपनी के लोगों को भी हमने देखा, उसके मुकाबले हमको ये कंपनी बहुत अच्छी लगी। और मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि 100% आपको इनके साथ कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा करेंगे तो आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा। हमारा कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, ऑलवेज हैप्पी।
तो मेरा नाम विशाल कोठारी है, मैं बॉम्बे से आया हूँ और हमारी 8 लोगों का टूर लेकर के आया हूँ, ग्रुप लेकर के आया हूँ मैं आई एम द ग्रुप लीडर। और दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव कम थ्रू मोंटेरोसा and Kailash tour, it is considered to be a very difficult tour, but because of Monterosa it has become a very easy, pleasant and memorable experience. The service was very good, the hospitality was very good, and all the guest houses, the accommodations provided to us along with the hotels, they were really very good. We got to see around 3-4 company services. I mean, I will not give their names, but compare them, and we found that we were in a much better position compared to the service, the accommodation which we are getting, and we are really happy that we chose Monterosa for this tour.
मी मुंबईतून आलो माझ्या मित्रांच्या बरोबर आणि मानसरोवरसाठी टूरसाठी गेलो आणि भरपूर एन्जॉय केला आणि मज़ा आली।
मेरा नाम नरेंद्र जैन है, मैं बॉम्बे से बिलोंग करता हूँ, सांता क्रूज से आया हूँ और कैलाश यात्रा के लिए आए थे हम। ये दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट टूर, बट मोंटेरोसा ने बहुत ही इजी कर दिया, बहुत कंफर्टेबल टूर था एंड डेफिनेटली वी हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट।
मेरा नाम जितेंद्र धाकड़, मुंबई से आया हूँ, कांदिवली। फर्स्ट टाइम कैलाश मानसरोवर आया हूँ, वो भी मोंटेरोसा टूर से। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा, फैंटास्टिक, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं और एकदम कन्वीनियंट और शांति से टूर पूरा हो गया मेरा।
तो डू यू हैव एनी कंप्लेंट फॉर अस?
नो कंप्लेंट, नथिंग। Tour manager, every team was very nice and good and cooperative. Because of them and Monterosa, the tour was easily been finalized by us.
मेरा नाम कमलेश बम है और मैं इंडिया से आया हूँ और ये मेरी पहली यात्रा है कैलाश मानसरोवर की। और ये टूर के बारे में थोड़ा सा पहले टेंशन था कि कैसा होगा क्या होगा, लेकिन ये टूर का बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला और बहुत अच्छी सर्विसेज मिली और बहुत मज़ा आया। और थोड़ा मौसम ने भी साथ दिया और हर तरह से सर्विस से हम लोग को ज़्यादा मज़ा भी आ गया और हमारी यात्रा अच्छी तरह से पूरी हो गई।
मैं जगदीश जैन, मुंबई सांता क्रूज से आया हूँ और ये मेरी जीवन की सबसे पहली और सबसे ऐतिहासिक समझो कहो तो ये मेरी यात्रा रही है। और मोंटेरोसा टूर के साथ में हमने जो यात्रा की है ये हमें काफ़ी सुखद और अनुदारक हुई है और हमने बहुत सारे टूर को देखा है वैसे वहाँ पे।
तो आपने
इसकी कंपैरिजन में हम कंपैरिजन करो तो हमें सबसे बेस्ट सर्विस हमें मोंटेरोसा टूर से मिली है और काफ़ी अच्छी सर्विस हमें मिली मोंटेरोसा टूर से हमें।
नेम इज सुनील धाकड़, आई एम फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड वी आर ग्रुप ऑफ 8 पीपल्स जस्ट गोइंग टू कैलाश मानसरोवर। वी हैव विजिटेड कैलाश मानसरोवर and it was excellent tour and it was arranged by Monterosa and we would 100% recommend Monterosa.
रिकॉर्डिंग ले रहे तो फोटो लेने का बोला जाके
नमः शिवाय।